Hello guys, the question is given in the form of two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. So assertion A says the stretching of a spring is determined by the shear modulus of the material of the spring, and the reason R says a coil spring of copper has more tensile strength than a steel spring of same dimensions. So, in the light of the above statement, we have to choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. There are four options given below the question. So, first assertion A says the stretching of a spring is determined by the shear modulus of the material of the spring. So, let's draw a diagram of a spring which is tightly wound. Now, when we apply a force or the weight to stretch this spring, the gap between the turns increases due to the application of this weight. So only the gap increases, but the length of the spring remains constant. Hence, we can say that there is no tensile strain as well as the volume of the spring also remains constant. So therefore, we can say that there is no volumetric strain. Hence, we can say that only the shape of the spring changes. So assertion is true that stretching of spring can be determined by the shear modulus, that is capital G of the spring. So assertion is true. Now check for the reason R. So guys, reason is a coil spring of copper has more tensile strength than a steel spring. So as we know, the Young's modulus of steel is more than that of the copper. Hence the tensile strength of the steel will be more. Okay, so tensile strength for the steel, for the material steel, will be more than that of the copper. So therefore the reason is false. Hence we can say that correct answer will be option number C. Thank you.